Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about Python. Python is a interpreted high-level and general-purpose programming language. Its special features are easy to code, free and open source, object-oriented language, and Python is portable and integrated. In this, we're going to see about program to swap two variables. Programming two variables by using the Python. In computer programming, swapping two variables specifies the mutual exchange of values of the variables. In this example, we clearly see that 25 and 15 is swapping from here to there. And start the coding. In this, first we get the value of x. So at first step we typing x is equal to input, and in that bracket we typing enter the value of x. This is the first step in the swapping two variables. And the second step is y, to get the value of y. So we using y is equal to input, and instead of the bracket we typing that enter the value of y. And closing the bracket. Closing the bracket is the main thing. If it not, it shows an errors and it not display the values. And now the major step in the swapping two variables is that create a temporary variable and swap the variables. So temp is equal to x. Friends, please start type with me because it's easy for you. Then x is equal to y. Then y is equal to temp. These three lines are very important. So please keep memories on this. It's like formula in this swapping two variables. Start typing with me because it's easy for you, my dear friends. Then print. Printing is the last step in this programming. Yeah, we're going to finish. At printing, we use that print and open the bracket. Then type type the value of x after swapping. Then give a colon and open and close the floor bracket. Then keep a dot and format X. Then close the bracket and start the another printing. Is print the value of y after swapping. Same like the x. Close the bracket, and now we're going to run our program. Yeah, it's a huge interesting step. We give the two values and run it. Yeah, it's